Hello and welcome. It is November the 22nd, 2013. I'm going to make this quick video. First of all, I just want to say that I have found a strategy that is solid and can be profitable depending on how you use it. And I generated a total of a 69% win rate, 45 wins, 20 losses. Expiry time is 5 to 10 minute expiry times. 10 to 15 is ideal though for this strategy on a 5-minute chart, with 15-minute expiries being one of the best. So first I'm going to just talk about the ideal setup. And the ideal setup for this strategy is a level 2 indicator with the trend. Here we see the EMAs all lined up. We have space in between each EMA. And the level 2 signal shows. We look for confirmation with the price then moving in that trade direction. So below the candle we're looking for calls, level 2 above the candle we're looking for puts. So then you just kind of wait for that price to start turning green, and I'd say wait about like if this is a 5-minute candle, so wait about 2 minutes and 30 seconds before you get in on your trade, and that'll give you a feel for how hard the price is gonna, whether the price is gonna then move in that direction before you get in, because the level 2s do repaint. So if you can just wait for that, the price, confirmation of that move up, that's a smart trade. We got in here with a trade out of a nice 10 to 15 minute expiry time. So we see the trend is up. We're only looking for calls, and level 2 shows here and here, and as you can see here, this would have been 2 nice winning trades, with this one being a little bit higher risk because the 10 moving, the 10 or 8 moving average is started moving down, and usually that's an indicator the price is gonna it's gonna be maybe a swing trade to the downside. But we did have this level 2 in play, and we saw this candle started trading both higher than this previous candle, and call here might have worked out right there. But you can see it's a little bit higher risk because this 10 EMA started curving down like it wanted to go down. But here is a lot lower risk, because even though this 10 EMA started curving down, notice how it did not cross the 25 moving average. Overall, I can say this is a sound strategy. I'm ready next week to test the level 2s only. So far I have 4 wins with the level 2s only with the trend. That's 4 wins, 0 losses. So I think I should be able to do much better in terms of my win rate going into next week. Very excited about next week. This is probably my best strategy I've ever concocted, but I think it's just all about testing. I've heard more positive feedback than anything for some of my past strategies. But I think as trading, as with anything, you grow, you learn. I do like more simplistic setups, chart setups, than the more complex chart setups that I used to use, and that's just my personal flavor. And it really is a simple to understand strategy. And once again, the order of the EMAs for calls is starting from these candlesticks would be 10, 25, and 50 moving exponential moving average, and then you look for the opposite for put options. So you would want the 50, the 25, and the 10 to show up for put options in that order, and then for them to have space in between each one. And I talk about more of this on my blog posts, my recent blog posts. Okay, so this is the strongest setup that I have ever seen in binary options trading, and I will live by that. I think if you're careful, your win ratio should be pretty high with this strategy. I can't guarantee that you'll make a profit, but I can say that if you follow some of the rules that I've highlighted, which is to make sure these EMAs have space in between them, make sure you are trading only with the trend and you don't get greedy. Like this could have been a loss here once again if you traded this 2 signal. that's about it. That's all I can think of. And of course, confirmation of that move up or down, depending on which direction you are trading. Okay, so that's it for this video. Share, like, and comment. Check out the new chat box at my website, teamcashflow.info. If you have any questions, leave them below, and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. Have a great day.